Hello Burns, this is Aaron from Vos Motors and I'm making this video especially for you. This is the 2007 BMW 335i. It is a twin convertible. It has 168,000 kilometers on it and the listing price is $14,888 plus HST and licensing. It comes fully certified and is very clean. It's a two-door, four-seater convertible with red leather interior, radio, leather wheel, special dashboard. As you can see, the vehicle is in very good condition and drives with ease. If you'd like to take a closer look at this vehicle, you can always come into Vos Motors. If you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. My number is 905-660-2901, extension 213. I'd like to thank you for your time and I hope you have a great day.